Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to start a video call on WhatsApp. With the latest updates, making video calls on WhatsApp has become easier than ever. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, head over to the Chats tab. From there, open the chat with the contact you want to video call. Next, look for the phone icon at the top right corner of the chat. Give it a tap, and you'll see a few options pop up. To start a video call, simply tap the video icon that appears next to the phone icon. And that's it. You're now all set to make a video call on WhatsApp. Whether you want to catch up with a friend, connect with family members, or have a virtual meeting, WhatsApp's video call feature makes it all possible. So next time you're in the mood for a face-to-face conversation, don't hesitate to give WhatsApp a try. Start a video call with just a few taps, and stay connected with your loved ones wherever they may be. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Happy video calling!